Hi, I'm Carla, and today I want to give you a how-to on building your own customized picture frame. First off, I would like to tell you about the materials you'll need for the process. First, you need whatever type of wood you would like to use on your frame. These are 1x6s. And then you'll also need trim to go around your opening on your picture frame. This is a 2-inch window trim or a door casing trim. You also will need the compound miter saw to make all of your cuts on your boards. You'll then need a hammer, a nail set, and of course your safety glasses, a measuring tape, a speed square, a staple gun, a brad nailer, a pencil of course, and if you are going to stain your frame or paint your frame, you should wear a mask. And if you are going to stain your frame, you'll need whatever type of stain you'd like and a can of polyurethane, or you could also get the stain that has the polyurethane in it. It's whatever you prefer. You'll then need a wood filler, and if you are staining, you need to make sure that your wood filler is stainable. And if you're painting, make sure that your wood filler is paintable. You'll then need a sanding block, or you could use a power sander, whatever you prefer. It's up to you. Putting the actual frame together, you'll first need to know what size picture you'd like, whether it be a 4x6, a 5x7, 8x10, whatever you want. When you are getting your measurements for your opening, I cut these angles at a 45, so you could use your speed square and hook it on your board, and this gives you a 45-degree angle. So you can mark your first angle and then measure from your short point over to your next short point, then line your 45-degree angle up with your short point and mark it. And this frame is actually 5x7, so this would be 7 inches from short point to short point, and this would be 5 inches from short point to short point. After you get all your boards cut, you start putting them together, and I usually nail the corners with the brad nailer. Then I turn the frame around, and I use the staple gun to staple up the angles, so it just makes the frame sturdier. After you've done all of your nailing, you then can use your wood filler to fill in any cracks you may have, or to fill in your nail holes. But before you can fill in your nail holes, you need to get your nail set and your hammer and set your nail holes. After you put your putty in your nail holes, you sand it down really good everywhere that you have put putty, and try not to leave any residue on the board. Then you can wipe it down really well. You can put your trim around your opening. Just remember to leave some hanging down so that your actual picture doesn't fall through. And you can also nail this trim from the back so you won't have any nail holes in your trim. I have a finished product here for you to see. This is a stained frame. So I built this for my nephew, and I stained it And I also wood burn designs in it, so that's another option if you'd like to do that. So thank you for your time today, and I hope you enjoyed it.